Hello friends and welcome to another vlog. I am currently on a cruise ship. This is the second cruise that I've ever taken. The first time I went on a cruise was when I was 18 years old. So it's my first adult cruise and it's one that I planned for the holidays with me and my family. So if you're new here, be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're someone that's been a little bit more locked in, be sure you keep watching because I'm going to be taking you on the entire cruise experience. So we are currently on a princess cruise, the Sun Princess ship to be specific, and this cruise ship was built about a year ago. So it is a brand new ship, one of the largest that they have, and I will say everything has been really nice as far as like the decor, aesthetic, cleanliness of everything, the room. We have a balcony room. It's really spacious. And we came with 4 pieces of luggage, 2 big suitcases, 2 carry-ons because we've been in Florida for a little while before we left for the cruise. To be honest, I was able to unpack everything out of my 2 suitcases and put it into the closets and the drawers that they have, and there's still enough space for Javante's stuff. So there's plenty of space so you don't feel like you're tripping over your suitcases or having to like go back into them and dealing with that. I personally hate doing that. So first thing I did when we got here was unpack. But getting onto the cruise ship was a pretty long experience with just having to go through security, the lines, all that stuff. But overall, once we got onto the ship, everything else was smooth sailing. But we have 3 stops on this cruise, and it is also a Christmas cruise. So we're going to be on the ship during Christmas. It's total 7 days. So today is Sunday, and I'm going to show you little bits and pieces of all the things. We do have a pretty big group with us. It's about 18 people. So it'll be a good time. It'll definitely be a good time. So I'm excited, 1, to go to new locations, 2, to be on a cruise. It's my first cruise with Javante, also just overall my first cruise as an adult, just to have a chance to relax and unwind and unplug a little bit. I feel like that's always the best thing to do around this time of year. Just be with family, not care about anything else, and just... I'm not even thinking about prepping for the new year. When the new year comes, I'll deal with 2026 when it's here. Right now, I'd rather just enjoy the time. So after we got on the ship, we went and grabbed lunch really quickly, and it was a very light lunch. And then came back, unpacked. Then we went to dinner, the entire family together, since we all kind of got on the ship at different times. And then after that, we went to a comedy show, checked out a couple of the bars that are here, and was just hanging around. There was also a silent disco party, so we did that as well. So now back in the room, did get a little hungry, so ordered room service. It wasn't anything like special. It was just chicken tenders and fries because it is like midnight right now. And probably gonna relax a little bit for the night since it was a long day with getting on the ship and everything. So yeah, this is the official start of the vlog. I'll check in with you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Okay, Javante.
I told you I'm tired. What?
How would you rate your Sun Princess cruise experience?
9.
Explain your rating.
A 9.
Okay. Why not a 10? What was missing?
Nothing. You can't just give everything a 10.
Would you do it again?
Yes. We didn't have the sanctuary package. We got kicked out of the restaurant for being poor. 9.
I think that's an acceptable
All
rating.
right. There you go. See? It would have been a 10 until you tried to go hanging with the people that got a lot more money than us. And we got kicked out and told that our restaurant was downstairs.
To be fair, it didn't say it in the app that it was only for the sweet people.
You knew we weren't supposed to be in there. You thought you was going to pull one over.
You don't know unless you ask.
That's true.
And the app said, walk in restaurant.
And them people said, walk downstairs and go to your restaurant.
I would give it, I'd say a 9.
Why?
Maybe 8.5. I would say some of the food, like the food wasn't bad. Could have definitely used more seasoning in some areas. But as far as the variety of food that they had, I would say that was pretty good. Like it didn't seem like they were just repeating things over and over or trying to make one dish seem more special in one area, but it's the same thing everywhere else. So that was kind of nice. And it didn't feel like the pushy, always try to get you to buy something, upsell you to something.
Well, I think part of that is we had the package. Because again, when I saw that 17 cents per ounce for soft drinks.
Mm. Out of the 3 locations that we went to, which one was your favorite?
I mean, the food in Cayman Islands.
Mm-hmm.
But
That snapper was really good.
The ATVs in Mexico and Cozumel.
Yeah. I would say Honduras, we kind of got the bad card because it was raining, so we didn't get to do much, really.
Yeah. I mean, we got off late, too.
Yeah. And that concludes our holiday family vacation.